You always scare me, Pinky. Now do me a favor and go play with those blocks over there.
All right, good morning, good morning. How y'all doing today? This is the Pork Chop Penny coming at you with a market update. Yeah, all right. So what's going on here? Well, it sure looks like we're working towards something a little bit bigger and a little bit more, how you say, substantial. So let me get over here and get all our toggles on and shut off this here image for the market. Let's talk about this right quick. All right, not a whole lot that you need saying here that just ain't jumping right out at you. Now we look at this and we see what's happening. Our anchored VWAPs are starting to roll over. Here's a very short-term VWAP. Yep, they're pushing down on it. Well, what we got here is your basic support resistance, and we've got a nice 4-hour running down here. And these tailies are telling us a little bit about this old market. He is going to be talking about this is what's building. This is what they're building towards. This is what the bears want to see. The bears want to see a pullback. This is where they're going to load up for the downside. Now, if the bulls can turn this around, they're going to have to break through this major trend line here. Could they? 1, 2, 3 tests? Yeah, it's possible. It is possible. A lot will be keyed up on this, but we should see some compression trading getting up in here and some neutrals, and the market is well above the VIX 20, so we're looking at cookie trades. We're still in cookie trade land. All right, let me shut off this is what the pattern traders are looking for. All right, now we're getting into the meat of the situation. This tail is telling us, this little hammer here, this little old tailipo, he is holding so far. This here tailipo is a statement by the bears. This to me is in this micro channel. They get down in this micro channel, they is going to be looking to try and break that simple line. Get down in here. This is telling us that we're going down lower. All right, so what I'm looking at is a pullback trade for today. This is turnaround Tuesday. This simple and clear. This is the bull case. We're going to be looking at, if they want to do this, what they need is a reversal. Here is the short-term support and resistance level. These old doggone bears are going to pull it all the way down here. Now, if we get a move like this, 1, 2, 3, well, then we can start considering some real turnaround type action we're working on. Try and recapture this sub wave of this trend line. All right, so what we've done is we've broke this channel, so we're looking at new extremes. We're going to look at new extremes. So what do we want to see? So for the bears, we want to come up, pull up here, and this is where all the short bears are going to be loading up for this leg down here. All right, are they going to do it? Well, I don't know for sure, but we can sure watch them. Now, this is cookie trading territory for you bulls. Make sure you really watching yourselves, because we don't want this market to go against you. All right, so what are we looking at for the bears? All right, this would be a impulsive structure to bring us back down. This is where the bears are going to load up for their shorts, and this is where they're going to go for. This is the line. It seems to me what I'm seeing here is definitely a pullback. Now, what do? They're trying to build this little bear flag down in this area. They need to set up for this here line, which is this here is the final. They break this and hold this down here. Our market is going lower for the long term. So overall, we're short-term bullish. Cookie trades up here. You know, we start getting above this hourly, we start looking at a pullback here. We get then if the bears capture control off this trend line, if this holds, they're going down. They're loading up for another leg down, baby. And this here is your short-term support and resistance. If the bulls can bounce this off, get a nice bounce off this, boom, and start a reversal, there is a possibility we could break out anywhere down in here. Now, this is a different story, and we'll wait till we get there. We got to see what everybody's saying. This statement is very important. This Talipo, that is telling us we're going back up for a short-term test of this here channel. This channel, holding this channel down here, this is going to be a sign we are going into a lower market. So what do I see? I see an A, B, maybe C. Yeah, well, I don't know for sure. We're going to let the old bears help us figure that out as we get in here. All right, so overall, the market is bearish. There's lots of bad news. We need some healing and all kinds of things going on out there in the real world that's affecting the market. We got reports coming in, and companies reporting their earnings. All that's going to feed into this, and we're going to figure out where we're going here pretty soon. Next day or three. This week will definitely give us an idea where the longer term may be looking at. We've got to break out of this channel here to have any sort of chance of turning the market around. Right now, they building a downtrending head and shoulders. Head and shoulders. Our moving average, folks, are going to see this quite clank. That there is going to give us some good information as we're going into this. All right, now, y'all be safe out there and keep your trading tight. Cookie trading only. Penny Pork Chop out for the day.
Let's try that again. Okay, I'll start it this time. Right. Wabbit season. Duck season. Wabbit season. Wabbit season. Duck season. Fire!